another part of, I think this is Al Balad. So this is where the train is. And I think Al Baik is here, or maybe they closed it down. But it was here a few years ago when I last visited. Here's a square with men just chilling and relaxing. And then cats just having the time of their life. Someone fed them actual cat food. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I can't keep track of the amount of the number of cats here. There are a lot of cats. Here is that train. So a lot of people that do come here to Jeddah for Hajj or for Umrah, I see them taking pictures of this train and they come and visit. Y'all, I'm sweating. Whew. And I've only been up for like 40 minutes. Here is this mosque. Let's try to get the name of the masjid. Fly on my hand. I don't know the name of the masjid. Let's get the name of the mosque. Are you turning? No. I might get going soon. I'm getting hot, man. What's the name of the masjid? I don't see, but the door is exquisite. It's a huge door. Yusuf Muhammad Abdul Wahab Naghi? No, that can't be right. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it correctly. There's a ladies area and there's a men's area. So, good to know. So if you want to pray, there's a ladies prayer area in that mosque and a men's prayer area. Okay. Now, let's keep moving. So I've noticed that cars here honk for many reasons. One, they honk to say get out of my way, to like other cars, to tell other cars get out of my way. Two, they honk to try to see if you need if you need to get picked up. They could either be a taxi or one of the private cars. So they stop to see if you want to use their car to go somewhere, like to go, I don't know, anywhere. They call it mishwar. So take those. They're pretty trustworthy. I don't know if everyone would recommend it. I found that some are inexpensive and some they're about the same price as a regular taxi. So if a car does stop by, and don't think they're trying to pick you up. They're just like, they're not trying to hit on you. They're just trying to see if you want to go somewhere and if they can take you there for a fee. Right? Okay. Here's a bus. It's going somewhere. It's going to, where is it going? Al Marwa. Let's cross the street to go. I don't know if I should cross the street now. Now? Oh, no, not now. Not now. Not now. This guy's like, he's just crossing the street really nicely without a care in the world. Okay. All right, go my friend. Thank you. All right, so he let me go. Nice guy. So here's the shop that's open. So the shop sells prayer mats. They sell blankets. What else do they sell? Suitcases, carry-ons, backpacks, these little cushiony, hello, how are you? So they sell these little cushiony prayer mats. These are really nice and comfy. I might buy one. Yeah. Come have the sijad. Yeah. Okay. So he said that this one is 10 and that one is 15 riyal. How about this one? This is Kabir? Okay, so this is a very, it's a bigger one. And how many nafar? Oh, one nafar? Oh, okay, so he's saying that's only for one person. Like this, زي هذا. So this one is 30? 20, so this is 20 riyal. And then these are the blankets that you cover yourself with. هذا كم?
25.
25? 25, 30. I might just grab one. I need blankets. Or should I just come back today and grab them? Yeah, I might come back today because I'm gonna come back today anyways. I'm gonna come back later on with someone. And these ones? Yeah. 45. So these are 45. And this is very big. It goes all on the ground. Yep. So at the bottom, he said one is 90 riyal. Okay. And هذا تبع السرير؟ سرير كم؟ 70. Okay, so the mattress is 70. And there are more. How about these ones? 180 riyal. And he has a lot. Okay. Alright, thank you. More mattresses. And here's another bus. It's going to, you can't really see it, it's a bit dark, but it's going to a hospital, some kind of hospital. I'm getting hot. I need to get out of here. I do want to walk around more, but I'm sweating. Like, if you guys knew how much I'm sweating right now, like, which way should I go? Should I go that way? I'm trying to cross the street. I'm not trying to get picked up by anybody. So let's go this way. Let's go this way. So you guys are taking this adventure. You're on this adventure with me. We're exploring Jeddah together. I don't know where I'm going, but we'll find out. And my camera's actually really hot as well. Hey, I love seeing these buses. Oh, it's hot. Ah, oh my God. Come on. Go. What setting is it on? This might be way too bright for the setting. Oh my God, I hate the smell of garbage. Never been here. And I've been to Al Balad and Bab Mecca several times, but I don't think I've ever been to this part of Al Balad, or maybe I've like been driven through this part. I just don't remember. And if I have driven through this part, not myself, but like in either a taxi, then it must have been at nighttime, because I honestly can't remember where this place is taking me. I need to get back. I need to head back. I'm too hot. All right, let's go back. Let's head back. Okay? Let's head back to that store because I think I need a blanket. I'm gonna grab a blanket. I don't really need a sajada because I have one. I would like my own. Should I just get one? Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna end it here. Just take a look at this building and I'll just end the vlog here.